Did you know that some genetic tests can predict your child's medical future 20 years before symptoms appear? We thought we knew everything about our daughter's Cornelia de Lange syndrome diagnosis. Then came the call about advanced epigenetic testing. The process felt like preparing for surgery. Specialized blood draws. Only 3 labs worldwide could run this test. 6 weeks of waiting that felt like 6 years. We don't count milestones. We count moments of grace. But this felt different. The consultation changed everything. The geneticist explained how DNA methylation patterns in her SMC3 gene showed she'd likely develop early arthritis, heart problems, and specific cancers. Our healthy little girl suddenly had a medical crystal ball revealing battles she hadn't even fought yet. Insurance called our preventive treatments unnecessary. How do you explain you're fighting invisible enemies? We shifted from fixing problems after they happened to stopping them before they started. This testing didn't just change our daughter's future. It transformed how we parent, how we plan, how we hope. Sometimes the hardest gift is knowing what's coming.